Hey guys, in this video we're going to learn a drill that I like to use for kiddos who don't have a proper load and don't have a proper transfer of power into their swing. So let's talk about the first one, the load. When we get loaded in our swing, we have a midline here and we don't want all of our weight way on the back here of our midline. So a classic phrase that you hear is keep your weight back when you're swinging. It's not really as simple as keeping all your weight back here, because back here we're unbalanced and we're not able to transfer all of our power into the ball when we're taking a swing. So when we get a load, I like to keep it, so you should feel the weight on the inside of your legs here. So inside of my thighs, inside of my feet, I'm balanced and I'm powerful here. So this is how we get our load, loaded here. So it's just a little turn of the butt kind of. I tell my little kids, I say, show your butt cheek to the catcher. That kind of helps a little bit with the form. So really what you should be doing is feeling this load here when you get back. So I'm not way back over my midline here, but I'm right in the middle. I have a little column. I'm right in the middle of my midline and I have my weight. I still have it on both of my legs, but majority of it is on this back leg. Now the second thing is transfer of power into the ball. So a really classic phrase that you hear is squish the bug when you're hitting. And squishing the bug will sometimes encourage players to turn their hip, but it's not really that we're trying to squish the bug when we're hitting. It's that we're drilling our foot into the ground and throwing our hip to the pitcher. That's a transfer of power. You can get a kiddo up there squishing the bug all day, but this right here is not a powerful movement. It's just knee turning for the sake of squishing the bug because we're trying to use our hips when we swing. So there's two levels to this drill, and it's going to depend on the development of the player that you're working with. Level one is where I would start with. So they're not going to step when they're doing this drill. We're going to have our feet maybe a little bit wider than we usually have it in our stance. And we're going to rock. We're going to go 1, 2, 3. From here, we're going to hit the ball with our back hip. So a transfer of power. So right here, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, explode through. No. Okay. So also notice that in that swing, I'm not just turning my knee for the sake of turning it. I'm actually using my back hip to smash the ball. So again, this one is going to be no step, just rocking 1, 2, 3, explode through. Level 2 of this drill, you're going to actually turn it into hops. So, little hops. This is where we are going to be a little more athletic and able to keep our weight in the center. So we're going to get ready in our stance here. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, explode through. Make sure they keep their hands up, don't drop. So again, with the hops, hands up, 1, 2, 3, explode through. So that is the two levels of the loading drill.